Hello guys, how are you? This is Madam African Foodie Fix and I'm glad to see you. Welcome and subscribe to my channel. Like my videos and share. In African Foodie Fix we upload videos, recipes which are very easy and simple to follow, and the materials or the ingredients are always available. So please guys, please join African Foodie Fix and let us walk this journey together. I love you so much, and please stay connected and share my videos to your friends and relatives, and I will surely appreciate. Enjoy this simple jahe recipe, and please subscribe. I love you so much, and if you have got any questions, please let me know through the comment section, and I'll be very happy to answer. And please share your experiences and I'll be ready to read them. Thank you very much. Bye.